Kublai to all of you. Very good morning, and we are honored to have Adarniya Shri B.L. Santosh Ji, the National General Secretary Organization of Bharatiya Janata Party in Mawhati today. Let's have a big round of applause for him. And of course with us, whose forceful and wonderful speech we heard a while ago, my brother Everest, who is also going to be the MLA very soon from this constituency. Very soon he'll be the MLA. Yes, thank you. District President Siskrem Ji, Mandal President Sambarlong Ji, Village Headman Sri Lakhi Ji. Then we have the Mahila Morcha President Rishkem Mukte present with us. The General Secretary of Mawhati Mandal, we have Sri Hilarious Ji and Srimati Khat Ji. Both of them are present here. Jayant Ji and all others who are present here. Kublai to you again. Most of the issues have been wonderfully put by the candidate, Mr. Everest. See, 2 or 3 things that I want to speak before Shri B.L. Santosh Ji addresses us. Number 1, you know, before Narendra Modi Ji, who was the Prime Minister of India? Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister of India before Narendra Modi Ji till 2014. He was a member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha from Assam, the neighboring state of Assam. And do you know how many times the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh came to northeast of India, to Meghalaya, to Mizoram, to Manipur, to Arunachal Pradesh, to Tripura, to Assam, to Sikkim? How many times did Dr. Manmohan Singh come to northeast India? Only twice, 2 times. But can anyone say how many times has Narendra Modi Ji visited northeast of India since the time he became the Prime Minister in 2014? Can anyone say this? How many? Yes, right, 50 times, but it has increased more now. Because while these elections are going, he has now come 4 times to northeast. So approximately more than 54 times Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ji has come to northeast. This shows that our Prime Minister and our party loves northeast. He wants to work for northeast. He wants development of northeast. Now let us go to the other political parties. I think in Mawhati, the sitting MLA is from Congress, NPP. But Congress had ruled over here since 36 years in Assam and Meghalaya. Today, just imagine, as far as NPP, Congress and other political parties are concerned, there are only 2 aims that they have. Aim first is family. I will contest, my son will contest, my wife will contest, my brother will contest, my wife's brother will contest, her brother will contest, so all in the family. But here in BJP, we all are a family. We don't give ticket just to one family member and no one is a king. We are all your servant, serving you, seva. We are here. The Prime Minister does not call him Prime Minister. He calls him the Pradhan Sevak. That means, I want to serve. I want to serve humanity. I want to serve you. So serving is the prime aim of BJP, while serving the family is the prime aim of the opposition party. And secondly, you want to translate? Yes. So do you have another mic also? Or I'll do one thing, I will speak 2 lines and then I'll hand over the mic to you. Okay? So there are 2 aims of the opposition party. One, to promote their family members in politics, and second aim is They see Meghalaya as ATM machine to withdraw money and take it to Delhi, to withdraw money and give it to their family, and that is the reason that Mawhati is still not developed. Now you should translate.
Sir, yom kumne pa kiwai ki party kilom kum kita ki bekijit ya kinom ikmat jong ki bunsin kijit na kaying kesem jong ki mentara da isar ini yang kum male adin sakun jong i adin saksiu jong i kata kadi karkom jong kiwai party bat ki pelong ya kami halia jong i kum ka ATM machine ka bakila ban sei bisa bantu na ka pla jong a jong pi ba. Jadi nak tak kata balik kami kelia du mentah kadang sadin nama ba kitulut nak kepala jom ngajom ki upata.
As far as BJP is concerned, Everest Ji was speaking about the misinformation that many political parties are trying to carry out against us, that we are anti-Christian, we promote religion. Absolutely wrong. What is the mantra of Narendra Modi? Can anyone tell? What is the mantra of BJP? Can someone tell? Sabka Saath. All of you have to say this loudly. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas, Sabka Vishwas also there. Sabka Saath. All of you will repeat once and I will tell you the meaning. He will tell you the meaning by translating. But first you have to repeat. Sabka Saath.
Sabka Vikas.
First you will say Sabka Saath. Sabka Saath. Sabka Vishwas. Sabka Vikas. Sabka Prayas. Now you translate this.
Isar yom kumne ba party BJP jongi kabut ya kani ka jing smi ka ba nungkong kalong ba sabka sat kabut ba ya dan rengkat lang baro sabka vikas kabut ba ya trailang kum ka kunhun na ta sabka vishwas kabut ki bala ban ai ka jing kermen ka jing shania ya ti pai ba tang ta sabka prayas kabut ba ka jing duai ka jongpi ka ba kulum lam kata ketika jing trei jong ketika parti BJP maka ka tim sing ke jong ka.
This is the core agenda of BJP. Together we will, together we can build this nation. So we are not against anyone. Number 3 and most importantly, Everest Ji was speaking the propaganda that other parties are doing, that we are anti-Christian. See, any religion, Hinduism, Christianity, any religion, what is the core idea of every religion? The core idea of every religion is service to mankind. Service to mankind is service to God. Now you translate.
Sar yom ba baro ki wei bat ki parti ki pek ki parti BJP kum ka parti ka ba isi Kristen. Handrei ka ei ka jing tmu bat ke jingut jong kita ki sengruniam ki dan sibun tali ki sengruniam rei ki dan tang ka wei ke jing tmu ta ka jing tmu ka lomban sakri nam ta ki jat pendreng nam ta jonga jongpi te dei em kata baru ka niam Kristen ka niam Hindu ka niam Muslim kau kidan kawai ka purpose kawai ka daw kata kalau mencakri boleh mencakri yang ayapi ukun menriu niam kata ka bawang isan.
And what is service to mankind? Providing them with house, Awas Yojana, providing them with health, Ayushman Yojana, and providing them with bread, rice, because Modi ji has given rice. How many of you got Modi ji ka rice, Modi rice? All of you will raise hand, those who got Modi rice. This they are understanding. Modi rice. See, all of you have raised hand. Someone should record this. Please raise hand. Rice, free rice. So this is service to humankind. Free rice, bread. So how are we against any religion? We are giving everyone rice.
Isari om baro ki wei ki parti ki keno yang ni bagi persya ya ka niam ka kom. Andrei sa om ba parti jongi ketika parti ke bapen I lagi kam nak tak tahu PI ya kaying baduk ke jemut jong kaying baduk ke dinam ta jong no nam ta jong ki beri baduk dena thapti yong ro kumju ba lengba kaying baduk ke PMY lai dari minister jongi Narendra Modi prime minister jongi piyo nang ta sa habai di bat ka jingkot jingkia ketuka smart kan dinam menu ba ai tu ai the prime minister thapti nam ta kane nam ta yong ro kumju nalor kata ka bai di bat ka kot ke kia mudi ai ru yau khau ban sai ngai phi ta ka di bokom santam ha ka jingin jongi kum ki breu nama ba ngi im ngi bam ban im dinam man klan ke met ka phat ban tri ban kata tu mudi usung thu ya kata sung thu ke jing duk jongi ayo khau tingin ni thap thi nam ta kani par.
Now, the biggest service to humankind is to save life. If someone saves life, there is no bigger service than that. How many of you got corona vaccine that Modi ji sent? 2 vaccines. How many of you got? If you got 1 vaccine, 1 hand. If you got 2 vaccines, both the hands you should take up. 3 vaccines, not third hand. No? 2 vaccines, both the hands. All of you should pick up your hands. 2 hands. You also got that too, huh? See, look. This is the most important thing. I'll finish my speech here. Modi ji has sent vaccine to Mawhati also. For all of you, he sent vaccine. Vaccine manufactured in India, and all of you got vaccine which saved our life. Even I took vaccine, BL Santosh ji took vaccine, Prime Minister took vaccine, everyone took vaccine, and that saved our life. Is there any other service bigger than saving life?
Isari ong ba shisha prime minister Modi jongi udan shisha kata ke jing sngau nam ta jongi ke nam song snong dam kari India nak ta ka dau udan ka ni ke jing kit khli yangi ban yo kemen ke poj bakhia khangtam ha ko pot corona nak ta ka dau ula sna ya ka ni ka injection ban ya da pot corona wal ai ro shabaro ke nam song snong kari India sakiri ba marjan makumjuru wat hamau ti jongi rula penpoi ke dawai banginyo ka inject heda banlat na ka jinyap na ni corona dina tiyo em baro na ira ti dina ti sar ong bakali ke ke jing sakri ke ba khau tam yo para bariu ka ba nakalian ka parti bat prime minister don brom jini ulale.
So I will conclude in saying, all those who are trying to give misinformation that we are anti-Christian, tell them that Christianity and Hinduism all teach service of the poor, of those who need help. And Modi ji has provided you service and help. And remember, he has given us rice, he has given us house, he is giving us medicine, vaccine, he is giving us drinking water. So what should we give him? Blessings. Should we not bless Bharatiya Janata Party and Modi? Because you are the God. You are the people who, we in Hindi call it Janardhan. That means you are the deciding God. We are your servitors. So you should bless Modi ji. That Modi ji, you keep on serving us for long time. And Meghalaya will also give a chance. Riboy will also give a chance, and Mawhati will also send representative of Modi ji. Is not just Everest. You look very carefully. He is Modi ji. Look carefully to him. Look at him carefully. Look at him carefully. If he wins, he will take all your problems. No road, no school, no hospital, all your problems directly to Modi ji, and Modi ji will directly in his hand give money. Go and work in Mawhati. So what do you want? You want Modi ji directly or you want him indirectly? Directly. So he is Modi ji. Vote for Modi ji. Thank you so much.
No translation.
Sari Hong ba Shisha Modi Deng Tao Prime Minister ba Sim ke jingkit kli nam ta jong a jong pi wei bai wei nam ta dau ula ai ngi beneng kong wei khao bangin bangin klan bangin im nam ta ula ai ngi ka ying beduk đi nè bangin nio ban shong ban sa na lo ka ta ula ai ngi ya ei ula ai ngi ya ka jing ya da bangin nio cái jing ko jing khia cái jing ya da injection man lai na kiwi pak jing pang ban yo ya ka men ko khia đi nè dan na lo ka ta Modi nalor kata Modi ulong kili hadu kata ini dengan tahu ayat kini kiskim ki paper ke usah ruang ba ada tikwa sisha ban yo ikini kijing turku baro ni de ban duai nam ta jong Modi tin duai nam kloi nam duai nam ta prime minister jong ni tingin ya duai nang bau la ban sensha hok ke India nang bau la ban sensha khambun sinem ni ke India bangin yo ban the kin kijing turku kan hai kham tam nam ta jong a jong pi uduk sum de ne nak ta dau la pikwa Modi menteri kam dan ba Dr. Everest Mawhati yang besar. Ada pi penyiang, ada pi penjab ya Everest kemud ke pisah direct nak ti jong Modi hak ti jong Dr. Everest ban Ashafifa. Telah suk redak ta. Suk mentah ada ai ha korat gunang ai manuski sawe sah. De kada poi ha angne Mawhati jong ila tuna. Tentang Modi sa ai direct hak ti jong Everest kemud parok ti jong kam lala man kunun kam ti kwa ni man long ta. Gumno ni na mande ya kata. Ha? Dak pa penjab ya Dr. Everest dena. Modi de Prime Minister kami bakit kali nam ta kari India. Ta ai ba Dr. Everest unlong ta Modi wa menyeng na po Mawhati bakit kali nam ta jong adong pi ta ko sa. Ni ai ko lei sibut ne pynshai em ni sa TV. Rakti boleh ni sa TV. So you are very famous, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Especially for coming here. We didn't expect that you will come here in the heart of Mawhati constituency, which is the most backward constituency in Meghalaya. But we are very much grateful, especially for your time, sir, for coming. And your coming here, since yesterday, people are running like anything. They said that what will give to them? Big people from party will come, what will feed them? Where they will sit? They are, yeah. So thank you so much for coming. Now,